What's up guys, this is Wajahat Ahmed and I'm here again with my new video. In today's video I will show you how you can calculate sales growth on Excel. So what are the calculations on the Excel? So as you can see that I have already written some data here. There are years from 2010 to 2017 and the sales which are in millions. I have added different sales for different years. So if we want to calculate the sales growth, we have to start it from the next year. We cannot calculate the sales growth of 2010. We'll have to calculate the sales growth of 2011, as we have to compare it with the previous year. So first of all, what you have to do is type in is equal to sign starting parentheses, and then you will have to add the current year, which is 2011. It's B3, and then you have to subtract it from the previous year, which is B2, and then closing the parentheses, and then you have to divide it by the current year, which is 2011 again. It's B3, and then press enter, and then you will get this percentage or growth. So if you are not getting this percentage, you'll just have to click on here to get it in the percentage. Otherwise you'll get it in ratio or points. Okay, so next thing what you have to do is we'll have to calculate all of these years growth. So just click here and drag it down here, and that's it. You will get the sales growth of all years. So as you can see that 20%, 10%, minus 2%, 8, and so on. So it's so simple and easy, as you can see that. So if you want to make a graph for it, just select the years and then press Ctrl and select this growth table, and then you can click on insert, and you will have to click on recommended charts, and then you can use this one or this one. I think it's more better, so I'll click on OK. So as you can see that now sales are getting down to 13, which is minus 2%, and then it jumps high, and then again on lower side, but it's not in the value, it's in the percentage. So you can also use this value instead of this, because we are only seeing growth, so this is the growth trend. So thank you guys for watching my video, and if you have any question, please feel free to ask, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.